Hello all. Welcome to MAPOG. In this video, we will use the Isochrone tool to create a map that shows areas that are deprived of charging stations and need one. Charging stations play a pivotal role in accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles by providing essential infrastructure for recharging. They alleviate range anxiety, a significant barrier to EV adoption, by offering convenient access to power. To analyze the zones that need charging stations in MAPOG, we follow the below steps. Open Map Analysis. From the different map types in MAPOG, I will choose OpenStreetMaps for this analysis. Click Add Upload, add vector data. Select the boundary shapefile of your area of interest and upload it. From the Add Upload, add GIS data. Search for the country and charging station point layer and click Add. Using the Clip tool, clip the area of interest to extract the points. A new clipped layer will be formed. Now, from the process data, select the Isochrone tool. Select the points layer, give a name to the new layer, select driving traffic and the time to be 20 minutes, and click Submit. You can customize the Isochrone using the available options. You can duplicate the boundary layer, change the color, and place it on the bottom to know the areas that do not have any charging points. Edit the map name by clicking on the pencil/edit icon from the top of the layer panel. Share the final map using the Share tool. The decision makers and urban planners need to observe the areas outside the Isochrone and within the boundary, because those areas need new charging points. The green-colored area in this map. As the automotive industry shifts towards electrification, charging stations are critical for facilitating sustainable transportation and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Their widespread deployment supports the growth of a cleaner and more resilient transportation ecosystem, driving forward the transition to a greener future. Thanks for watching. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.